Yes. Hey guys, welcome to Abefeolaide online tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you comment and share it to to all your friend. Now, in the last video I was talking about the preparation of alkane, and I was talking about preparation of alkane, and I made mention of preparation of alkane in the laboratory. Preparation of alkane in the laboratory where we consider sodium ethanoate. Now another one is what we can use what is called another one we can use what is called aluminium. If you have Al4C3 plus CH2O, are you getting that? Then what do we have? It's going to give us 3CH4. It's going to give us what? 3CH4, then plus what? Plus 2Al2O3. It means we can also prepare alkane from this particular aluminium. Then another one, this one is number 2. Number 3 is that we can prepare the what? The alkane, ANE, from what is called what? Hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. Hydrolysis of what? Hydrolysis of what? Of Grignard reagent. Now when you are talking about the hydrolysis of Grignard reagent, now hydrolysis, hydro means what? Hydro means water, lysis means break it down. Are you get what I'm saying? And the sign for Grignard reagent is what? Is RMgX. R what? MgX, where the R is what? Alkyl group. R is what? Alkyl, where the Mg is what? Mg is magnesium. Mg is what? Magnesium. Why X is what? X is halogen. X is what? Halogen. Now whenever you see X in organic chemistry, you call it what? Halogen. This one is known as what? Hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. To now consider the chemical reaction of hydrolysis of the Grignard reagent, so what do? You can just say that RMgX plus what? H2O. This one is what? RMgX. Why this one is what? H2O. So what will it give us? You just remove one hydrogen atom here. If you remove one hydrogen, I said RMgX plus H2O, according to the statement, hydrolysis, this is the water, this is the what? Salt. Now, so what do? That will be what? You will now take RH. This one is known as what? Alkane, because this one is alkyl group. Then plus what? It's going to give us what? Mg what? MgOH. Then it's going to give us X. Is that gotten like that? Now, then I'll say that we have another thing entirely. Maybe we have CH3. Are you getting it? Then Mg B what? Br. This one is called what? Ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. Plus what? Plus H2O. Plus H2O. Abi, what will it give us? It will give us, just remove one hydrogen atom here, put what? CH4. So what do you have again? We still have what is called what? Mg. Then plus we still have what is called what? We still have Mg. Abi, if you have Mg, then you know that we've already removed one hydrogen here, so it's going to remain one hydrogen and one oxygen. OH, then what? Br. Whenever you see OH, most of the time in inorganic chemistry you call it basic salt. So this one is called what? Hydrolysis of Grignard reagent. Hydrolysis of what? Grignard reagent. Then we can also prepare it from this particular crack breaking down of petroleum. Are you getting it like that? That is what? Number 4 of preparation of alkane. We can prepare it from breaking down of petroleum, or you call it what? Cracking. Cracking of what? Cracking of petroleum. Cracking of what? Cracking of petroleum. You can prepare alkane also. And there's one particular thing they call it Kolbe. Some people call it Kolbe structure. Kolbe. It means you want to prepare it from what? From acetic what? Acid. What is acetic acid? Acetic acid is CH3COOH. So what do you do? CH3 COOH, forward and backward, take one hydrogen here, that will be what? CH4 plus COO, that is CO2. That's what is called Kolbe or Kolbe structure, things like that. Another one is that you can prepare alkane, ENE, from what? From ANE. We call it what? We call it number 5. You can also use what? Hydrogenation of what? Of alkane, ENE. I want to prepare ANE from ENE. Alkane, ANE. I want to prepare ANE from ENE. So what do? You are going to add hydrogen to alkane. Let me give you the example of alkane. One alkane is what? Okay, let me say we have C2H4 is butane. C2H4 is what? Butane. Plus what? Plus another one. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen plus H2. Are you getting like that? So if you add C2H4 plus H2, so what will it give us? You can't just add it like that. You must need catalyst, nickel, and the temperature of 200 degrees C. So if you add molecule of hydrogen to this one, what will it give us? It will give me C2H6. This one is called what? Ethane, ANE. I prepare ethane from ethane by the hydrogenation of what? Hydrogenation means what? Addition of hydrogen. Now this one is called molecular formula. If I want to write this one in terms of structural formula, so what do? You draw 4 carbon, 1 2 3 4. 6 is butane. You must contain double bond. That will be 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. This one is what? Butane. Structural formula of butane. That is what will it give us like that? Plus H2 in the presence of nickel and the temperature of 200 degrees C. Then it's going to give you complete butane. Complete what? Butane. It will not, so it's going to give you single bond. This one is called structural formula. But if you want to go to another one, there is another one we can also use. They can ask you, since this one is the structural formula, I want to write it in terms of what? I want to write it in terms of what? I want to write it in terms of cyclo compound. You know that how many carbon? 1 2 3 4. If you draw it, that is rectangle. Abi, you must draw the what? Okay, you must draw the what? Rectangle. And when you draw the rectangle, you must put what? The sign here. This one is called cyclobutene. Abi, because of this mark. Then it's going to react with H2 in the presence of nickel and the temperature of 200 degrees C. Abi, then you are going to write complete rectangle. That is cyclobutane. Cyclo what? Butane, like that. Now let's write it in terms of skeletal structure. How many ends do we have? 1 2 3 4. Just draw it. This one is the skeletal structure of butane. Skeletal structure plus H2, Abi, to give complete. You can see this one is also called butane. You know butane, this one contains double bond here. There is no double bond there. This is the skeletal structure of butane. This one is the skeletal structure of butane. If you want to write the word if you want to write it in terms of condensed formula, take a look at this one now. Write it in terms of condensed formula. How many carbon do we have on this? How many hydrogen do you have on this carbon? That is C. You write CH3 followed by this. How many hydrogen on this carbon? 1 2. CH2. This one is condensed formula or chain formula. The one I'm writing here is either you call it condensed formula or chain formula. CH3, CH2. Yeah, followed by what? How many hydrogen do you have on this carbon? That will be CH followed by double bond. How many hydrogen again? Then CH2 plus what? H2 abi in the presence of nickel as a catalyst and the temperature of 200 C. So what will it give us? Oya, how many hydrogen do we have on this carbon? 3. That will be CH3. What of this one? 2. 1 2. That will be what? CH2. This one is also what? CH2. Then how many hydrogen do we have here? 1 2 3. This one will now be what? CH3. They can bring the question anyhow. This one is called condensed formula. This one is called what? Condensed formula, or you can call it what? You can call it chain formula. This one is called structural formula. This one is called molecular formula. Why the last one here is called, we can call this one also. This one is called cyclo compound. This one is called skeletal structure. Are you getting it? All of them, they are still butane. It means we can prepare butane from butane when you add hydrogen gas to it. So please share, comment. So in our next video we are going to do the what? The chemical properties of alkane, ANE.